Hello students, welcome to social science class. In this video we are going to discuss about our new lesson, health is wealth. We are going to learn about the importance of medical instruments. We'll also understand the importance of surgery and medicines, and also learn about the importance of methods of preventing diseases. So come, let's begin with our lesson. Importance of medical instruments. In early times, when people suffered from a disease, they usually fell ill and did not recover. But now, today, if they fall ill, they can be easily cured due to advances in medical science. Medical science has made rapid advances in three broad categories. They are medical instruments, medicines, and prevention of diseases. We'll discuss about these categories one by one. Medical instruments. First medical instrument we are going to discuss in this video is clinical thermometer. In earlier times, doctors measured the temperature by touching the body or feeling the pulse. A clinical thermometer is a medical instrument which is used to measure the body temperature accurately. It was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. It measures the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. Mercury, being red in color, can be easily seen in the clinical thermometers. If the body has a temperature, then the level of the mercury in the thermometer rises. Today we use both digital and analog thermometers for measuring the body temperature accurately. Now next medical instrument is stethoscope. It was invented by René Laennec in 1816. Now what led to the invention of this device? Come, let's find out. One day René Laennec noticed that two children are sitting at the two ends of a log of wood whispering through it. On being asked, they said that they could hear the faintest sound through the log. He tried the same technique using a newspaper. He was able to hear his own heartbeat. He could also hear the movement of air in and out of his lung. So this experiment led to the invention of the modern stethoscope being used by the doctors today. Stethoscopes help doctors to hear the heartbeat and the breathing of the patient being examined. Next medical instrument we are going to discuss is microscope. The invention of the microscope enabled scientists to study germs. They were able to identify the germs that cause diseases. Now, what is a microscope? A microscope is a scientific instrument that makes small objects appear larger. The first microscope was developed by Zacharias Janssen. However, Galileo improved upon the microscope of Janssen later. Now let's discuss about X-rays. What are X-rays? Several machines developed today are able to look inside the human bodies. X-rays are used to locate the fractures in our body. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1896. Scanners help to take the pictures which are much better than the X-rays photographs. Different types of scanners in use today are ultrasound, MRI. These are used by the doctors to see the images of bones and internal organs. Also students, we now have very advanced techniques like ultrasound, CT scan and MRI, which help in getting a clear and complete picture of the internal organs of the patient. The ECG and EEG machines help to monitor the heart and brain respectively. Laser treatment helps to perform the bloodless surgeries by the doctors. Now let's talk about the medicines. Antibiotics. In 1928, penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Penicillin prevents the growth of bacteria and so is able to prevent infections. Today, malaria, tuberculosis, plague and cholera are fully curable. Other drugs which were discovered came to be known as antibiotics. Antiseptics. Earlier, when surgeries were performed, the rate of discovery was very poor. Joseph Lister, a surgeon, studied various ways to control these infections. He found that the infections occurred due to the presence of germs. Lister searched for new methods to eradicate or remove these germs. He conducted experiments with a chemical called carbolic acid. He washed his hands, instruments, and the patient's skin with it. His experiment was successful, students. Deaths caused by infections reduced. Thus, Joseph Lister discovered the first antiseptic, a chemical to prevent bacterial infections and kill germs. Dettol, Savlon are some of the antiseptics which are used by us today. Prevention of diseases. Students, as we all know, prevention is better than cure. So let's learn about the methods through which we can prevent various diseases. First one is vaccination. Vaccines are the medicines which, when injected in the human body, can prevent diseases from occurring. By injecting a person with a vaccine, the body of the injected person develops the ability to fight the germs that can cause the disease. Nowadays, we have vaccines for tetanus, cholera, hepatitis, and tuberculosis. Edward Jenner had discovered a vaccine for smallpox. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur, a French scientist, was the first to discover that heat can be used to kill germs. Pasteurization is the process of killing germs by rapid boiling and cooling of milk and water. Milk is pasteurized to make it germ-free. Surgery. A surgery is an operation in which the body is cut open to cure a disease or an injury. It is performed by specialized doctors called surgeons. They use different instruments and medicines while performing a surgery. Nowadays, modern surgery is helping many people to live healthier and longer. Students, you must have heard about the term transplantation. The process of replacement of diseased organ of the body with the healthy ones is known as transplantation. James Simpson first used chloroform in surgery. Chloroform is used to make the patient unconscious before operating so that the patient would not feel the pain. Chloroform became the first drug to be used as anesthetic. Now students, I would like to share some basic healthcare tips with you to remain healthy. It is important to eat proper nutritious food. We should keep our surroundings and ourselves clean. We should take regular baths using soap and water. Soap should be used to wash our hands before and after eating. Ignoring illness often makes it worse. Regular exercise helps to make the body stronger. It's important to get a regular checkup done. If we feel unwell, the doctor will be able to diagnose the diseases correctly and prescribe the correct medicines. So students, this completes our lesson, Health is Wealth. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.